Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. Today I'm giving iChef a shoutout. First of all, a little bit about the challenge. The challenge is 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels on 7 different videos in 7 days. Do shorts, you can do your regular format, whatever you like. You could just do the actual shoutout, that's it. It's up to you. To join the shoutout, just let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section in one of my shoutout videos, just saying I accept. Use hashtag Chappy's number 7 shoutout challenge, either in the title, description, or anywhere in the video. And finally is have fun. I just want to emphasize, just because I'm giving you a shoutout doesn't mean I'm calling you out to do the challenge. A lot of channels just isn't going to fit the format. It takes a lot of effort and time to do 7 videos in 7 days. So the key idea here is to have fun and have fun with other channels. So don't feel any pressure like you have to do any shoutouts. All right, without any further ado, the shoutout today is the YouTube channel iChef. It's iChef Richard. Chef Richard was a former chef at a 2-star Michelin restaurant. So I'm going to do a couple. I'm not going to impress any professional chefs here, but I'm going to try to be a bit chefy today. So I'm going to make a drink in his honor. And then for Appies with Chappy by the Lake, I feel it's my strongest appetizer to date. I did a little bit of research. I'm going. Again, this isn't going to impress Richard, but I'm going to make a Cerviche, and I was amazed. There's no cooking involved. You actually use citrus to cook the shrimp. So stick around for that. It turned out fantastic, and like I say, it's my most chefy appetizer to date. All right, so I'm going to get started on a drink for iChef Richard. I'm just going to make an Italian soda with vodka in honor of iChef. And the chefy thing that I did, I made my own raspberry syrup. So see here how I made my raspberry syrup. All right, so I got the raspberry syrup in a short glass. Just gonna add a little bit ice. One more time, add a little bit more ice. Sorry, Mookie. All right, so I got my homemade raspberry syrup. I got a shot of vodka. And I have a nice lemon lime club soda. So that is a raspberry Italian soda with vodka. That's for you, Chef Richard. Coming up next, my very special Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today Mookie is wearing her sombrero because we're going to make ceviche, which is popular in Mexico among other places. First up, we got to make a drink. Let's see. Oh, okay, he's running away. That's okay, Mookie. You're not gonna like the ceviche anyways. All right, so we're gonna make an all-American. Have a glass of ice. Calls for 1 ounce of bourbon. I got a little Jack. And 1 ounce of Southern Comfort. And 2 ounces of cola. I prefer the Coke Zero. It's not bad if you haven't tried it. And that is an all-American. All right, now the ceviche. This is bizarre. So I cut up some raw shrimp. I have some pickled onions. So I got some pickled onions. I just did a quick pickle, meaning I heavily salted them, let them sit in the salt for quite some time, and then I rinsed them and added a hot vinegar brine. So that a quick pickle won't last as long, but they're pretty darn good. And then I got some garlic in there as well. All right, so this is the bizarre part. This is where the magic happens, and it's crazy. So I have some lemon juice, and I'm just adding the lemon juice. So the lemon juice is going to cook the shrimp. The acidity in the lemon will actually cook the shrimp. I know, it's crazy. It's crazy. So this is going to go in the fridge for, they say between a half an hour and 2 hours. I haven't done this before, and I don't want to eat the raw shrimp, so I'm going to give it the full 2 hours. And we'll come back, and it'll be cooked by the acidity of the lemon, if you can believe it. Thanks for watching another edition at Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.